In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable captions on Zoom and set up live transcription, a feature that can significantly enhance your meeting experience, especially for those with accessibility needs or different language backgrounds. To begin, head over to Zoom's official website at zoom.com. You will need to sign into your account, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in successfully, the next step is to navigate to the web app. You'll find the web app option in the Zoom dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a new interface where you can manage and start your meetings directly from your browser without needing any additional software. Now that you're on the web app interface, look for the option that allows you to start a new meeting. This is typically labeled as New Meeting and is prominently displayed on your screen. Click on this button to initiate a new Zoom session. The meeting will automatically open in a new window and you will be the host of this session. In the Zoom meeting interface, direct your attention to the bottom right corner where you'll find a button labeled More. Clicking on this will open up a menu with additional features and options. Here is where the magic happens, so let's dive into enabling those captions. Once you have the menu open, locate the option for captions and click on it. Doing this activates the captioning feature. But we need to go a step further to ensure everything is set up correctly. After enabling captions, you should see another option called Show Captions. Clicking on Show Captions will make the text visible to everyone in the meeting, displaying live transcriptions of the dialogue as the meeting progresses. Finally, it's important to click on Save to make sure all these changes are stored. Saving the settings ensures that your preferences for captions are applied not just for this session, but also carry over to future meetings, making it easy to enjoy a seamless experience every time you host or join a meeting on Zoom. And there you have it. Enabling captions and live transcription on Zoom is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to enhance your Zoom meetings with real-time captions, making communication more effective and accessible. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more features in Zoom to customize your virtual meeting experiences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content.